What is the measure of an angle in degrees if it measures 9 pi over 10 radians? To convert between degrees and radians, we need to use one of these conversion factors, pi over 180 degrees or 180 degrees over pi. Since we're going from radians to degrees, we multiply by 180 degrees over pi, canceling out the pi's, and crossing out a 0 in 10 and 180. We are left with just 9 and 18 on top. Multiply them and we get 162 degrees. For this given equation, what is one possible value of y? Since the absolute value of both positive 16 and negative 16 is 16, there are two possible solutions. To find each solution, set 38 minus y equal to 16 or negative 16 and solve for y. When 30 minus y equals 16, we can think mentally, 30 minus what number equals 16? We get 14. When 30 minus y equals negative 16, we can isolate y by moving negative y to the right side of the equation. Remember to change the sign to its opposite so we get positive y. And moving negative 16 to the left side, we get positive 16. Simplify by adding 30 and 16. We get 46. Therefore, the answer is 14 or 46. The given equation relates the variables a, b, and c, where a, b, and c are all greater than 0. Which equation expresses c minus 1 in terms of a and b? To solve this, we need to isolate c minus 1 on one side and move everything else to the other side of the equation. Did you know that you can swap the denominator of one fraction with the numerator on the other side and the equation remains the same? Therefore, the answer is C. Function a is defined by a of x equals negative 2x squared minus 16x plus 7.5, and function b is defined by b of x equals a of x minus 7. What is the value of x when b of x is at its maximum? When you have a quadratic function, a minimum or maximum value can be attained where x equals negative b over 2a. Let's plug in the value of b, which is negative 16, and the value of a, negative 2. When we simplify it, we get 16 over negative 4, which gives us negative 4. So this is the value of x when the function a of x is at its maximum. Function b of x is derived from function a of x by subtracting 7 from x. When graphs are transformed, subtraction inside the parentheses shifts the graph to the right. So x minus 7 shifts the graph 7 units to the right, which shifts the x-coordinate of the maximum. Negative 4 plus 7 equals 3. So the answer is C. Now that's how we crushed the SAT.